Hey, out there in YouTube land. Technically, this is for myself, no one else. But if you're watching, how's it going? Hope you're having a good day. Anyway, I just completed a trip to California over the last week. I came home and I've got some mystery pins to unbox. So I've got one from Universal, limited release. I have two different ones from Disney, Star Wars Land. This one is for the Resistance. Then I have one for the First Order. And just released this week, I have some mystery pins for the Haunted Mansion Holiday, which of course is celebrating its 20th anniversary this year. So, we're going to see what we have. Again, not pre-opened like some bloggers do because, well, I'm not that smart. Okay, let's see what I can get into here. So again, these ones come, in most cases, 2 per box. I have not checked all of them. It does say on this one from Universal, again, the first one I'm opening, that it is, each box contains randomly selected pins, that it is a 9-pin collection. The chaser pin is the only one not identified, and it looks like Woody Woodpecker. There is the Penguin, Scooby-Doo, Back to the Future, Jaws, Earthquake, E.T., my cat, Frankenstein, and King Kong. So again, 2 pins from this box. Of course, I do have my own preference, what I would prefer to get from many of these sets. I'm not worrying too much about that for this one. So I'm going to show you the pin before I even look at it. So again, my cat. This is the Penguin. That is very cute. Very cute. Okay, the second pin of the box. Again, I only got 1 box of each of these pins with the exception of the Haunted Mansion Holiday. Again, you're showing you the pin before I show it to myself. That is E.T. Very cool. I'm happy with those pins. Great. I'm going to just put them back in the box for right now as my cat continues to watch and say, hey, are you opening treats for me? And yeah, she's now investigating the box that I just put down. So next I've got the Resistance pins from Star Wars Land. Again, it says there's an 8-pin collection. Each box contains 2 randomly selected pins. It has happened that you can get 2 pins that are identical in these sets. I have seen it on vlogs in the past. Now my cat's going after that empty box. So let's see this first pin. Oh, what was the options? So these are pretty much different types of ships in the different Resistance units. So we've got the Red Squadron, Blue Squadron, Black Squadron. We've got, those are TIE fighters. We've got a few other ships that I don't recognize. At least I know TIE fighters. Actually, I'm not even saying that right. It's the X-Wing. TIE fighters would be in the other box. Okay, first one, open. Again, I'm showing it to you first. From this angle, it does look like it is a X-Wing. This is the Blue Squadron X-Wing, so that is cool. Gonna put it in the box. Of course, yes, my cat is watching me every move. Okay, the other pin. Let's see what this is. Okay. Another X-Wing. And it is the Red Squadron. So I got 2 X-Wing fighters. Hi. You really want these planes, these ships, don't you? They're just pins. They're nothing you want. Okay, so I'm opening the first order pins. Again, 8 pins for the collection, 2 random pins per box. And they look like propaganda posters on the back of the box. So let's see what we've got. Okay. Again, I can't tell up from down, so I might hold it upside down. Okay, no, the pin is at the top, so that is the top of the pin. So this is without equal, first order, join the 709th Battalion. So that is propaganda again, poster for for Disneyland and their Star Wars land. Okay, the other one, again, opening it, back to me. Oh, this one looks like it goes sideways. So this one is join the 709th Legion, protect the galaxy, and it also has it in the Star Wars language. So that's those 2 pins. That leaves us with 4 pins for Haunted Mansion Holiday. And again, a very curious cat who is again inspecting the boxes I've just put down. So let's see what we have here. Again, 2 per box, 1 and 2. So this is an 11-piece set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. It comes out shaped like a big wreath. I've seen it on Disney Pins blog, which great Instagrammer, so someone to follow. So I'm going to take a look at these. I do have, again, my preferences for who I want. These are bigger pins than the other ones we just opened. So let's see. Oops, dropping things. Let's see what we have here. So again, back to me. This looks like it's a slice from the right side of the pin, bottom half. That is the witch stirring something in a cauldron. So that is a large slice. I do not know the names of all the characters in Haunted Mansion Holiday, of course. I'm not as much of a fan of Nightmare Before Christmas than some of my friends, but again, I do know a few characters. I do have particular ones I like. So the next pin, this is the wreath. This is actually one of the ones I really wanted. This is at the top of the shape that it creates. So that's kind of cool. Okay, 2 more pins left, 1 box. So let's see what we've got. Of course, having just come back from Disney, I do have some other things I've purchased. They're off to the side here, but I'm not going to worry about those at the moment. So this pin is smaller. This pin is more square. Okay, let's see what we got in here. Again, I'm holding the back of the pin to me, so I don't see what we have. Okay, again, it looks like it's the same witch. Yeah, it's the same witch that we got a moment ago, so I got a double. But that could happen when you buy multiple boxes. But again, this one does feel a lot smaller than the wreath. So let's see what this one is. Again, it's square-ish shape. So this one here, let's see, It is, ooh, he's a creepy clown. Very creepy clown. Not one of the ones I was looking for, but still interesting. And I believe he goes in a piece right next to the witch. So that's cool. Anyway, that was my first unboxing. Exciting stuff. And again, this is really for my own purposes, to remember a trip. I'm not a professional vlogger, as you can probably tell. But yeah. So I will remember this trip for a bit longer. Have a great day.